Hey guys, and welcome back to another Topps kit pack opening, and they've just released the MLS mint packs. So we've got 81k, and we're gonna jump straight in, hoping to pack it 1 to 175 odds. So what a troll! What a absolute troll! Yeah, Barnes is the mint, which I was just about to say. So yeah. Hopefully we do pack it. I probably won't go for the actual mint set, but I just thought I would open, 80k worth, seeing as it's only 5k pack, plus it's 4 percent chance to gain gold, so gold are always good to get, so hoping to pack it in this 81k. But obviously I know that my chances are very slim. Plus I don't think I've actually ever packed a mint, so you know, it's see if we can get it. Hope finished 80th in the MLS chase as well, because I was in the top 50 but I fell asleep, so rip me. So I could have got a silver game changer if I had just stayed awake, but I fell asleep. It's gold, nice. Fell asleep like a dickhead, didn't I? So obviously golds are always good get, just because obviously MLS golds seem to be going for a lot just lately. I've got a nice collection of golds at the minute, so enough to get me top 50 each week. So yeah, so we got a few more packs, and looks like we are not gonna. We're just not going to get it, are we? We're just not going to get it. Come on. There's 2 more channels in the description of the goals. It's always good to have. There's 2 more channels in the description for Topps Kicks, so make sure you definitely go check those 2 guys out. Another gold, nice. Henry Kansas and Topps TTG1. So their links will be in the description. Make sure you definitely go sub to him and all that good stuff. Also, Swap is in the description. Obviously, he's been in there for a while, so make sure you definitely go subscribe to Swap as well. Come on. We're not going to pack it. It's just not going to happen. 5 more packs after this. I knew I wasn't going to pack. I should have spent it on the rally packs, but oh well, I've already got 2 of the Bradley White Phillips. Come on. So looking for Barnes. Nope. 4 more packs, lads. 4 more packs. Looks like we're not gonna pack it. But see, I just got a message. Looks like we're not gonna pack it. Come on, open. Give me the bonds, please. I've seen T-Bone spend a lot more than me on the impacts and not get it, so this is why I was never expecting anything. It'd just be nice to pack it, but it looks like we are not going to now. 2 more packs, come on. Please. Please. Last pack, lads. Last pack of dreams. Oh well, never mind. We saved up 80k worth of coins to pack base. You've got to love it. So this is the end of the video now, guys. Unfortunately, we did not pack the mint, but oh well. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.